Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen. And as you can see, I'm in a 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite and the beloved time frame of the forex world. And if we look at the chart, okay, if you look at the chart, then there is no doubt that market is in uptrend. Market is in beautiful uptrend. Okay, and the chart is very clean. Okay, very neat and clean chart. And as we all know, trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways market or range bound market. And this market is a trending market, uptrend market. Therefore, what is our duty? Okay, our duty is to find the area of value, because see, this is a trending market, so our first and foremost duty is to follow the trend. As I always say, never go against the trend. Trend is your friend. Okay, so uptrend market, therefore we will only be looking for buying opportunity as the market is going up. Second thing, AOV, area of value, or the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. So we need to find the best trading of what I'm saying. We need to find the area of value. So I always say in my videos that the area of value in the uptrend market is always near the support, or and the area of value in the downtrend market is always near the resistance. If a market is going up, then the best trading opportunity is to buy near the support, is not it? Likewise, if your market is coming down, the best trading spot to short the market is near the resistance. So our market is an uptrend, therefore we need to buy near the support. That's it, simple as that. So in this case, we can see that 50 moving average, okay, 50 moving average is providing the required support to the market, or 50 moving average is acting as a support. Because see, whenever market is coming down, it is getting support from the 50 moving average. So 50 moving average is providing the support to the market. Therefore, our first trading opportunity in this market will be 50 moving average. So if market comes down to the 50 moving average, then we may get a good opportunity to buy. Yes, I have used the word may, because confirmation is important. Yes, confirmation is always important. Okay, if market comes down to the if market starts coming down, okay, if market starts coming down to the 50 moving average, then your duty is to observe the price. Observe the price and see how the price reacts. If you see that price is getting rejected from below, okay, if price is getting rejected from below, or it is forming hammer kind of candlestick pattern, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid support. If market forms a candle like this, green candle like this on the support, you'll get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is the uh, valid support. Then you can go for a buy order. Okay. Otherwise, if market crosses this level, if market crosses the 50 moving average like this, see, like this, then you should not buy. Then you'll have to wait for the market. You'll have to wait for the market to cross the 50 moving average again. See, not getting my point? Let me show you. Just look at the market here. See, market did not, okay, market did not respect the 50 moving average here. Okay, rather it came down. After that, it formed around 5-6 candles. But still 50 moving average was trying to hold the position, trying to hold its position as a support. So in this type of market, you need to wait. Okay, you need to wait. So if market comes down and crosses the 50 moving average, do not buy right away. Okay, wait for the market to go up and cross the 50 moving average again like this. Then only you should go for the buy order. See here also, when market was falling, Okay, after coming down and hitting the 50 moving average, okay, it did not bounce back immediately. Rather, it made around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. After that, it made a green candle. So if you get a position like this, you'll have to enter at the green candle. Okay, so do not buy right away. And right now we can see that market is trading at this particular point 134 level. Okay, market is trading at 134 level, and this 50 moving average is quite a distance. Okay, therefore there is one more possibility here, and the next possibility is this level, 134.13 level. Okay, we can see that market is trying to cross this level. Okay, market is trying to cross this level, and this level is kind of acting as a resistance to the market. Undoubtedly market is an uptrend, there is no doubt, but still market is finding it difficult to cross this level. Okay, in case market does not come down to the support and goes up, okay, in case, let's assume that market goes up from here, then also you'll get another opportunity to buy. But again, confirmation is important. Do not buy immediately. Wait for at least 4 to 6 hours and just observe the price. Okay, if market crosses this level, 134.13 level, try to read the chart, try to understand the market emotion, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that market has crossed the level and market is trading above this level comfortably, there is no price struggle, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this resistance has become the support now. Okay, and then you can go for a buy order. As I always say, in an uptrend market, you need to buy always near the support. So you'll have to wait for the market, okay, until and unless it makes this level as the support. One, when resistance will become the support, then only buy. Okay, so if market crosses this level, then also your duty is to observe the market. Yes, being a trader, you will have to observe. Mainly you have to observe. Okay, so these are the two trading opportunities and possibilities in EURJPY. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.